Want to improve your Polish during your daily drive or commute? Let's turn the time into a productive lesson. Today, we are practicing essential everyday Polish phrases in a shadowing session made for your drive or commute. Welcome back! This lesson is strictly audio focused, so you don't need to look at your screen. Whether you are driving to work, walking the dog, or just washing dishes, you can master the basic of Polish conversation right now. I have grouped these phrases into real-life scenarios: politeness, greetings, getting help, and ordering food. By the time you reach your destination, you will have a toolkit of phrases to survive your first day in Poland. Ready? Let's start with the most important category: politeness. Politeness opens many doors in Poland. The most common word you will use is thank you. In Polish, thank you is dziękuję. Listen closely to the rhythm. Dziękuję. Now you try. Dziękuję. If you want to be more casual, like saying thanks, you say dzięki. Repeat after me. Dzięki. Dzięki. Thanks. Dzięki. Now, how do we say please or here you go? The word is proszę. This is a magic word in Polish. You use it when asking for something, handing something over, or answering the phone. Try it. Proszę. Proszę. Let's combine them. If someone thanks you, you can say you're welcome, which is literally please very much or proszę bardzo. Listen. Proszę bardzo. Proszę bardzo. Proszę bardzo. Sometimes we make mistakes. To say I'm sorry or excuse me, use przepraszam. This looks long, but it sounds like przepraszam. Let's practice. Przepraszam. Przepraszam. Use przepraszam when you bump into someone or need to get past someone in a crowd. And finally, for yes and no. Yes is tak. Repeat. Tak. No is nie. Repeat. Nie. Let's do a quick review. I will say the English, you say the Polish. Thank you. You are right, it's dziękuję. Let's do another one. I'm sorry. Yes, it's przepraszam. Excellent. Let's move to meeting people. When you walk into a shop or meet someone, you need to say hello. The formal, all-purpose good day is dzień dobry. You say this from morning until late afternoon. Listen. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. If it is evening, you say dobry wieczór. Listen. Dobry wieczór. Dobry wieczór. For friends and family, we use the informal hi, which is cześć. Be careful with the pronunciation. It is a soft ch and a soft sh at the end. Listen. Cześć. Repeat. Cześć. Interestingly, cześć also means bye among friends. So you can say it when you come and when you go. Cześć. To say goodbye formally, we say do widzenia. Literally, this means until seen. Listen. Do widzenia. Do widzenia. Now, let's introduce ourselves. To say my name is, you can say mam na imię. Listen. Mam na imię. Mam na imię Ania. My name, Ania. Or you can simply say jestem, which means I am. For example, jestem Ania. Jestem Ania. And to ask someone, how are you, informally, jak się masz? Listen. Jak się masz? Jak się masz? A very common casual alternative is co słychać, meaning what's up or what's heard. Listen again. Co słychać? Co słychać? Let's shadow a short conversation. A. Cześć, co słychać? Hi, what's up? B. Dziękuję, wszystko dobrze. Thank you, everything is good. Great job. Keep it going. As a beginner, the most useful phrases are the ones that help you when you don't understand. First, I don't understand. In Polish, nie rozumiem. Nie means no. Rozumiem means understand. Listen. Nie rozumiem. Nie rozumiem. If someone is speaking too fast, you can ask them to speak slowly. Proszę mówić wolniej. Listen. Proszę mówić wolniej. Repeat. Proszę mówić wolniej. Or you might want to switch to English. Do you speak English? Formally, to a man you say, czy mówi pan po angielsku? And to a woman you would say, czy mówi pani po angielsku? Let's try the general version. Mówisz po angielsku? That's informal. Repeat. Mówisz po angielsku? If you need to ask, what does this mean? Say, co to znaczy? Listen. Co to znaczy? Repeat. Co to znaczy? And if you need to ask someone to repeat something, you can say, proszę powtórzyć. Listen. Proszę powtórzyć. Proszę powtórzyć. These phrases are your safety net. Don't be afraid to use them. Polish people appreciate that you are trying. Now let's get some food. Whether you are at a cafe or a bakery, you will need this structure. Poproszę. It means I request or please, I would like. Listen. Poproszę. Repeat. Poproszę. If you want a coffee, you say poproszę kawę. Listen. Poproszę kawę. Repeat. Poproszę kawę. If you want a tea, poproszę herbatę. Repeat. Poproszę herbatę. When you are paying, you might want to ask, how much does it cost? In Polish we say, ile to kosztuje? Listen. Ile to kosztuje? Ile to kosztuje? And when you finish your meal, you ask for the bill. Poproszę rachunek. Listen. Poproszę rachunek. Poproszę rachunek. Let's look at basic needs. I am hungry. Jestem głodny. If you are a male. Jestem głodna. If you are female. Try it. Jestem głodny. Jestem głodna. I am thirsty. Jestem spragniony. Male. And if you are female, jestem spragniona. Repeat. Jestem spragniony. Jestem spragniona. And the most important question for any traveler, where is the toilet? Gdzie jest toaleta? Listen. Gdzie jest toaleta? Gdzie jest toaleta? Notice the structure. Gdzie jest, meaning where is. You can use this for anything. Gdzie jest hotel? Gdzie jest hotel? Gdzie jest taxi? Where is the taxi? Excellent! You are doing great. Now, let's learn some directions. Left is w lewo. Listen, w lewo. W lewo. Right is w prawo. W prawo. W prawo. Straight ahead is prosto. Listen, prosto. Prosto. If you are lost, you can say zgubiłem się as a male or zgubiłam się female. Listen. Zgubiłem się. Zgubiłem się. And if you need help, simply say potrzebuję pomocy. Potrzebuję pomocy. Let's combine this into a scenario. Imagine you stop a pedestrian. You say, przepraszam, gdzie jest centrum? Excuse me, where is the center? and they say prosto I w prawo. Straight and right. Then you say dziękuję, thank you. Simple, right? Shadowing these short exchanges builds your confidence for the real thing. You have just practiced over 30 essential Polish phrases, covering everything from greetings to ordering coffee. And you did it all while driving or commuting. Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Listen to this lesson again on your next commute. Try to speak faster and more confident each time. Enjoy this? Hit subscribe or keep practicing. See you in the next lesson. Cześć!